Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a fun movie, it may not be new, but it's an extremely action-packed movie. It's The Italian Job. This movie came out in 2003, but I have to say it is one of my favorite movies. It has a good redemption and revenge story, and also it's super packed with car racing and a robbery. Everything about it is just very well thought out and awesome. I mean, who does not love a good robbery with a car action type of a movie? You'll recognize a ton of people in this movie. Of course, Mark Wahlberg is one of the main guys in it. With the DVD, you'll get extra deleted scenes. You'll get them explaining how they filmed different stunts and how they all had to go to like driving school and fun little tidbits like that too. If you have not already seen this movie, it is a must to add to your action nights. And if you have already seen it, maybe the DVD is a good thing so that way you can keep it as part of your all-time collection. The Italian Job is a must-see movie, and you can take my word for it, but I think you should watch it, and that's my point of view.